In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator or developer to your Shopify store. Whether you're seeking development help or simply want to enhance your store's efficiency with an expert's touch, knowing how to grant access is crucial. So let's get started. First, we need to begin by navigating to your Shopify admin. Once you're there, look towards the bottom left corner of your dashboard. This is where you'll find the settings option. It's essentially your control center for making adjustments and setting permissions for your online store. Once you've clicked on settings, you should now see a menu with numerous options. What you will want to do next is click on users and permissions. Here you'll find a comprehensive list of everyone who currently has access to your store, including staff members and any collaborators who may already be working with you. This section is essentially your gateway to managing who can help you refine your business. If you're planning to add a new collaborator or user manually, you'll find the Add User option right here. Clicking on it gives you the opportunity to invite someone using their email. On the other hand, if a developer has already requested access using their Shopify partner account, you should see their collaborator request in this same section. This makes the process streamlined, ensuring everyone who's meant to be involved has the right level of access. Keep in mind, you must be on a paid Shopify plan to add any staff or users. This is an important detail to remember to avoid any hiccups during this process. Now it's time to enter the developer's email address. Be sure to input the email they use with their Shopify partner account, as this ensures seamless integration of their access rights. Should they have provided you with a collaborator request code, this is where you'd enter it as well. It's a simple step but crucial for ensuring that the right person gains the access they need. After adding their information, it's time to assign permissions. Head over to the Roles section under Users. This is where you define which parts of your store they can access and work on. You'll find various options such as products, orders, themes, apps, and settings. It's essentially a way of customizing their access and responsibilities in the store. A useful tip to keep in mind is to grant permissions thoughtfully. Often developers only need access to specific areas, like themes if they are focusing on design. By limiting their permissions to only what they require, you maintain better control over your store's integrity and security. And that's it. You've successfully added a collaborator or developer to your Shopify store. As you continue to refine and expand your business, leveraging expert assistance effectively can make all the difference. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.